Hi guys, I'm here at Museo Camera in Gurugram to check out this amazing museum full of vintage cameras and to talk to the founder Aditya Arya. So this is not just a museum but it's more of an experience. So come with us as we explore. So this is basically the first part of the museum, and here you can see the entire timeline of cameras from the time it was invented till today. Hi Aditya, so your museum is lovely, and I would just want to ask, what was your idea behind the museum?
The idea was to create a place which is dedicated to the history of photography. After spending 40 years in this profession and as a student of history, I feel it's very important for the present generation to understand where did photography come from. So this part of the museum traces the history of photography. K20, which was used in the World War II to actually shoot this infamous image of mushroom cloud over Nagasaki and Hiroshima. So this is our demo darkroom. So today, with the advent of digital, the darkroom technologies have been lost. So to introduce the darkroom to today's generation, this is very important, how the enlargers worked and the images were enlarged and how the film was processed, the workflow of a darkroom. But what is very interesting, this is a demo darkroom. We have a full-fledged working darkroom where people can come and practice.
So this is the first floor of the museum, and they have a really amazing display of pictures taken by different photographers, and right now they have this Aravali theme going on where they display different things about the Aravali forest. So do check this out when you come here.